Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I do want to wish you all a happy new year in person, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you'd be notified every time I upload new videos. Now today in the kitchen, I will be sharing a recipe for barbecue bourbon chicken wings. This is going to be so delicious. I don't want to overdo the talking, so let's jump right into it. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. Here I have some chicken wings that I went ahead and washed and prepped in some vinegar and lemon juice. And I will be using some of my homemade green seasoning. I can leave the link to this green seasoning in my description box. I have some paprika, some chicken bouillon, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and some complete seasoning. So now we'll go ahead and add all of the seasonings to the chicken wings, and we will mix well, and then we will set this aside and allow it to marinate for about, let's say, 4 hours. It is Sunday and I'm gonna watch some football, and when my football game is over, then I will fry my wings. So we will let this sit for about 4 hours, then I'll show you guys the next step. Next, we'll go ahead and make that honey barbecue bourbon sauce for our chicken wings. Here I have some bourbon. You could use any bourbon of your choice. I have some barbecue sauce, some ketchup, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, some honey, some molasses, and I'll be using some red pepper flakes, paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. Let's continue. So basically what we'll be doing is adding all of the ingredients to a small saucepan, and we will mix well. We will put our heat on medium and allow this to come up to a simmer. Once it comes up to a simmer, we will turn the heat off and just set this aside. And you know, that's the sauce, guys. That's how simple it is to make the sauce, but it is absolutely delicious. And remember, when you're adding the bourbon, you could add as much or as little as you like. I will not put any measurements for the amount of bourbon you need to add, but you know, you can add it the way you like it. If you like it strong, you add how much you want to add, or if you want it mild, you add little, or you know, just go with what you prefer. Now that the sauce has come up to a simmer, we will now turn the heat off and just set this aside. So in this bowl, I have some cornstarch or corn flour. It is light and it is perfect for this recipe. So what I'll do is transfer it to a Ziploc bag, and I will begin to coat my wings with the cornstarch. I will put the wings in here, shake them, and I will set it aside until I'm ready to fry. Now we let this sit for about 10 minutes, allowing the corn flour to set on the wings. When it looks less powdery, that's when it's ready. At this point, we will begin to fry the wings. We will fry them until they are golden brown. When they float up to the top of the oil, that's when you know they are done. They are perfectly cooked and they are ready to be removed from the oil. So if you look closely, you can see my wings have floated up to the top. and they are golden brown. Now I will remove them from the oil and I will repeat the process until they are all done. So in a medium-sized bowl, I will now go ahead and coat my wings with that sauce. You could add as much or as little sauce as you like, it is your choice. I will cover the bowl and shake them well so the wings could be evenly coated with the sauce. Then I will plate them up and I'll be back with the yummy product. Okay guys, so this is my version of a delicious honey barbecue bourbon chicken wings. I do hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I will leave all the ingredients down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!